Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Your your video is actually upside down.
Hmm?
Oh yes, now it's good. So
Hmm.
Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalam ala Rasulillah. Now let's start to the second lesson, lesson two of camp two. Wait, let me share my screen. Hmm, Good. The first lesson, right? We did something about waqf. That is top. This is the second lesson. We are going to learn about Marubuutoh. Marubuutoh. Can you pronounce it? Marubuutoh. Can you say it?
Tamabuto, tamabuto.
Marubuutoh. Marubuutoh. Right. Nice. Good. So, what does Marubuutoh mean actually? Let's see. Hmm. Do you know that this Marubuutoh that we are seeing, it is Arabic positive language that shows happy letter. Like this
Huh?
is happy letter. Like Tamabuto, yes, is actually ta, right? So this is the form of the diagram of the letter shows happiness. So this is ta, right? So what do we mean by Marubuto actually? This is another ta again that look like shocked face.
Hmm?
It is called Marubuutoh. Actually, in Arabic, Marubuutoh means circle, like this. So, if I want to explain Ta Marubuutoh very well for you, that you are going to understand it perfect. Ta that is circled. Do you get it right? Yes. Ta
Yes.
Marubuutoh, ta that is circled. So that's actually the meaning of Ta Marubuutoh. So,
Hmm.
when stopping at a word that ends with ta marbuto, the ta will be pronounced as sukun, regardless of the haraka. Try this. Try this.
But,
How are you going to pronounce this?
but,
Bat, right? Good. But okay, let's move on first. Bat, correct. Bat. So actually, it is read as ba, not bat. Good. Do you understand? Because it is wakfu. Do you know that actually wakfu, we are going to pronounce the end letter as sukun, right? Yes. Apply to this star marbuto also. This star marbuto is at the end of the word. So if you are going to pronounce, you are not going to pronounce as bat. You are going to pronounce it as ha, ba. That's Arabic for you. Easy and simple. Ba. Pronounce ta marbuto as how. For example, ba with ta marbuto will be ba, not bat. Do you understand?
mm,
Okay, let's move on. Now, let's see this table. Let's analyze and check very well. We have ta maftuha, ta marbuto. Actually, I told you that ta marbuto is the round ta, right? That his face look like shocked. The diagram we saw before, the shocked there. So the opposite one, that is smiley tar, it is called term of tuha, the smiley tar. So the smiley tar, location of tar Marubuutoh It appear only at the end of the word. Oh, nice. Wata maftuha, smiley ta. It appear in the beginning, middle, and at the end of the word. Appearance. Look at the appearance. And look at the appearance of the ta. Yes. So pronunciation. When you continue and when you stop, you pronounce them. And this time of two also, you pronounce while reading or while stopping. Example, when you stop, when you continue, lailatil, lailati, right? Lailati. Because this T, it is not, we are not stopping at the end. We are continuing. Example, this word is in Surah Al-Qadr in the Quran. Laylatil Qadr. Laylatil Qadr. But in the one that we are stopping, look at this. Layla. Layla. This show that we are stopping at the end. Then with the I did not pronounce it as Laylat. Is it Laylat? No, but it is Layla. Do you understand? So look at the term of two also. Sakat. Yes, you see the difference now. Term of two heart, the smiley face that's open. When I want to pronounce it, I pronounce as sakat. When I'm stopping at the end, sakat. But while continuing, I say sakata. Yes, it's appear only at the end. This star, it's appear only at the end. It shows you like this. Like, okay, let me write something. This is only the appearance that show at the end. You will only see it at the end of the word. Yes, they mean at the end of the word. Yes, it is at the end of the word. This one is still correct. This is still correct. If if this letter is in a sentence, let me show you a verse of Quran. I'm coming. Do you have Quran with you? No. Okay. Mm, okay. I'm checking where I can show you the Quran. I think I have Quran with me. Yeah. I don't sure if you can see very well. Oh, it is not obvious, right? Wait, I'm coming. This. Oh, it's actually not visible. So what I was saying there is that uh you can actually pronounce it as Lailati if you are not stopping on the ta. If the ta is at the middle of a sentence, you can pronounce it as Lailatul Qadr. For example, a verse in the Quran, Lailatul Qadr. But actually, you want to stop on it, right? You are going to pronounce it as Laila. You are going to understand soon. Let's move on first. Good. Check this out. Marubuutoh examples. Mawadda, Mawadda. This time Marubuutoh, the shocked face, the rounded ta. So, how are you going to pronounce this?
Ma, mawad, mawadda,
Mawadda.
mawadda.
As I was saying, you are going to pronounce it as how. You feel sleepy, right? Yes. Can you stretch? Yes. Can you do? Look at me. Can you do this? No, no, no. Actually, it's quite hard, but I have a skill. I can turn my hand here to the back and bring it from the front and bring it to the back like this. Can you do that? Oh, actually, I'm eating, right? Yes. I think my body is somehow stretchy like that. So actually, if I'm anchored at the front like this, I can change to back. If I'm anchored at the back, I can change to front and open the anchor another way, right? Actually funny. Okay, let's continue. So we are talking about Tamorbuto. Example of Tamorbuto. How are you going to pronounce Tamorbuto at the end? We are going to pronounce it as
Oh,
how.
um,
For
untuk
example,
haro, untuk haro.
Mutoharo. Correct. Mutoharo. Next one, this one.
Al huto, al huto mat,
Mah. Yes.
huto mah.
Al-Hutama. Yes. How about this one?
Al fashi, al
It is
fashiyah,
what, right?
fashiyah.
Al-Ghashiyah. Good. Like imagine, you are going to imagine as if this star is how sukun, how with sukun, right? You are going to pronounce yeah, Al-Ghashiyah. How about this one also?
Fashi, oh, fashi, ah,
Yes. Khashi'ah. Khashi'ah. How about this?
ba,
Yes.
basibah,
Uh,
nasibah.
Nasiba. Correct. MashaAllah. I'm feeling that you are getting this. Is it right? Is my feeling right? I'm feeling that you are getting this Tamar bottle. Is my feeling correct? I have a good feeling. Okay, let's move on. Yes. This now we are going to challenge ourselves. So this word, can you pronounce this? How are you going to pronounce it? Choose the correct answer by putting like this, or like this, or like this. Then pronounce. Can you pronounce?
Saroh,
Sarah. Good. But make sure that the how sounds better at the end. Sarah. What about this one also? The second one.
baik,
By what? By
baik.
actually this one is not ta morbuto. Check very well. It is smiley ta. So you are going to pronounce it normal, normal. Normal one without her. It will be bite.
Eh,
Yeah, bite. No, this one. This is because this wrong. Not by, not by. But this one, it's correct. Yes. Okay. Next one.
eh, maut,
Mouth, correct. Yes. Malta, wrong. Because you can see the sign of this sign, work sign, right? So we are going to stop, and this one also is wrong. Mouth, wrong. So this is the correct one. Okay, last one. I can pronounce the last one. Yes. Can you pronounce the last one?
Syajaroh.
Shajaro. Correct. Correct. Let's move on. I hope you understand it, right? Good. So we've come to an end of Marubuutoh. Actually, they put this Marubuutoh separate because some students may find it difficult. Actually, Marubuutoh is among work also. They just want to know how you are going to stop at the end of Marubuutoh. Now, do you understand? You are going to stop at how, like how, right? Before we stop this class, we are going to do some quiz to show maybe you understand or not, or to make your understanding better. Okay, let me move on. Oh, this screen show. What's happened to this screen lights? Yes. Good. Oh no, getting Tolum, Tolum.
Which one is
Yeah.
Marubuutoh?
Which one is number
Two.
one, right?
Two. Two.
Yes.
When stopping at a word with the thus pronounced as Hasukun.
Yeah, so
Three.
wait, when
Three.
stopping at the word ending with Marubuutoh, the ta is pronounced as what?
Hasukun.
Is has
Hasukun.
has to come. Okay, you are the one
Three.
doing that,
Three. Three.
not
Three.
me.
Three.
Yes.
Garnish. Which word ends with Marubuutoh? Four. Eh?
Select all correct options. I think it's more than
Yeah.
one.
Two. 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 Two as well. Two
Is
as
that
well.
all? Check
Submit.
very well. Is that all?
Submit. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. I
Oh,
don't know the
like the
about. It
example,
was great
Mawada.
intox. How to read this word that which ends with mm,
Check very well.
four, 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 four.
Yeah. We are going to pronounce it as Muwada, not Muwadatu, not Muwadati. Okay, this is correct. Hmm.
Choose two correct words that end with the two. um fourth and first.
First one,
Fourth and first.
first and fourth. Correct, right? Okay.
Yes, submit, 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 submit. Yes, good.
Okay.
Which one does not end with two? Um,
Okay.
third, the third,
Third, right?
third,
This smiley face.
first.
Time of two has smiley face.
Mm,
Good.
What do you
Wow.
call a huge ball of cat? A
100%.
meowton.
I give you a
Let's
thumb.
go. 45
Like
out
it.
of 196.
Yes. So we've come to an end of this
Mm,
quiz. So there's a summary. Let me check the summary for you for about Marubuutoh. Oh, what's happening to this navigating about now? Okay, Marubuutoh summary. Okay, okay.
Mm.
Can you see? Okay, I will actually send this to you on WhatsApp. You can revise, also check, or if you want to jot down, you can jot it down. You can see the difference in the shape. It
Okay.
can be like this and it can be like this. It means when it is joining at the back, or when it is alone here, the shape of Tamagoto. Hope you understand this way, right? Yes, I'm sure that you
Uh,
understand.
mm,
So, inshallah, next week, I pray Allah save our life longer. We are going to meet, inshallah. So, سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. What does this mean? This. Okay. Yes. I actually got this smiley face. Is this shock face? No. I think the circle is going to be here like this. I'm not good at drawing. Okay, nice, nice, nice. Okay, سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك